Alright, this is another claim that I hear people making on the flat earth channels, which I say is just absolute garbage. Planes and birds and nothing else flies through the sun. Alright, you see a bug fly by and just the brightness of the sun just engulfs it. It hides it. It's an illusion that the bug did not fly through the sun. It was just hidden by the light of the sun. The sun will blind you. You'll also see that I am not very focused in this. I'm playing around with the focus. I'm also playing around with some of my a UV lens and a polarized lens that I don't really much care to use. I don't use them very often. The camera, if you put it on sunset mode, it will protect itself. I've been zooming in on the sun quite a bit with my Nikon, and it has not harmed my camera. But to get back to the brightness of the light, you'll notice in here, a bird that just flew by went in front of the bright light of the sun, and it disappeared for a second. It did not fly anywhere near that sun. There's going to be a plane in this too. I'll let you know when it comes up, but I will focus it in. I think I went to go get my polarizer lens because I wanted to stick a polarizer on here. It already has a UV lens, so I left my camera rolling, unfocused of course. But that wasn't my main concern. My main thing was trying to find something flying in front of the sun and observe with an observational proof that a plane, a bird, a bug is not flying through the sun. The brightness of the sun will engulf or eat any object that gets in front of it. Even if you try to focus on it, if it's directly in front of the sun, you will not see it. It will get engulfed by the sunlight. All right, get my polarizer on here, and I'm gonna focus it in and take it out of focus. Zoom in a little bit, and on the bottom right, you'll see a plane enter. Not yet, it hasn't entered yet. It's kind of hard to see because of the light of the sun, and it's also coming from a long distance away. This plane must be quite high because it's awful small. Plus two, I'm not at a full zoom, of course. If I went into a full zoom, I'd never seen the plane. But you'll see it come up from the bottom, go diagonally across the screen, and go through right there on the right. It's going through, it disappears, it comes back out, and of course as it gets closer to me, it gets a little bit bigger, but that's an illusion. It's only due to the brightness of the sun. So don't believe the garbage. Do your own research, test it yourself. You'll find your own truth instead of believing in these clowns. Thanks, like, subscribe, and share my videos with all your friends. Thanks.